Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Terraform Init challenge, build, change and destroy cloud infrastructure. First lab, that is cloud source repository, Qwik Start. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous lab and the lab of deploy Microsoft SQL Server and the lab of explore the next lab is second lab, that is HTTP content base. ये पहले ही चैनल पे अपलोड हो चुके हैं. इसका सॉल्यूशन आपको प्रोवाइड हो जाएगा बाय सिंपली क्लिकिंग ऑन द आई बटन. जैसे आप आई बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे आपको सारे सॉल्यूशन जो अभी तक अपलोड हुए हैं वो एक्सेस हो जाएंगे. तो जल्दी से जाके लैब कंप्लीट कर लेना. विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम स्टार्ट दिस लैब, ओपन इट एंड वेट फॉर द पेज टू बी लोडेड अप. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the start lab button for the credentials because we need the credential to log in into a Google Cloud console. Okay, so wait करेंगे थोड़ा सा. Now, simply right click on open Google console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. Otherwise, you will face certain issues. इसलिए इसे incognito mode में ही open करना है. Email ID is automatically pasted up. We need the password only. So simply click on the next button and for the password, simply come back to the lab. Copy this password. Copy it very carefully. Now again come back to here, paste the password here, click on the next button and we get logged in into a Google Cloud console. Okay, click on this I understand button. It's a welcome message and wait for it. After that, we need to accept some terms and conditions. So simply click on this checkbox, click on and agree, continue. And after that, we need to activate our cloud shell. So for that, click on this top right icon, activate cloud shell. इससे हमारा जो cloud shell है वो activate हो जाएगा. Wait करेंगे synchronize होने के लिए. While it's synchronizing, simply come back to the lab. Click on this task one, scroll down to the task one, copy this first command. We need to clone the repository. So simply come back to here, wait for it to stabilize. Click on the continue button. Click on this. Wait for it. It will take a couple of minutes. Click on this got it button and our terminal is now ready. Okay, you can see it's our shell. So you can see our project id is not set. It's saying to set your cloud platform project. Okay, so how you can check whether your project id is set or not. अगर आपकी प्रोजेक्ट आईडी सेट होगी तो आपको एक येलो कलर की आईडी दिख रही होगी, इसका मतलब आपकी प्रोजेक्ट आईडी सेट है. और अदरवाइज यू आर फेसिंग द टर्मिनल लाइक दिस, देन यू हैव टू सेट योर प्रोजेक्ट. सो हाउ यू कैन सेट योर प्रोजेक्ट, सिंपली टाइप g cloud config set project space, then you need the project id. So for the project id, come back to the lab, copy the project id, that is gcp project id, come back to here, paste the project id here and hit enter button, click on the authorize button and our project id gets set. Okay, so simply come back to here, copy this task one command again, come back to here, wait for it to set the project. It's under the process. It doesn't take many longer time, just a couple of seconds. Wait for it. You can see our project id is now set. This is the id I am talking about, the yellow id. अगर आपके पहले से ऐसा है येलो आईडी, देन यू डू नीड टू फॉलो द प्रीवियस स्टेप. जो हमने अभी अभी किया वो स्टेप फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, पेस्ट द कमांड दैट वी कॉपीड फ्रॉम द टास्क वन, हिट द एंटर बटन एंड ओके, द कमांड इज इन कॉपीड प्रॉपर्ली. कमांड ठीक से कॉपी नहीं हुआ था इसलिए आ रहा है, हमें फिर से कॉपी किया. come back to here, paste the command here and hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. जैसे ही कमांड रन होगा इसके साथ हमारी लैब भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगी, क्योंकि बाकी के कमांड रन कराने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये लैब बहुत ही आसान थी, तो वेट करेंगे जल्दी से कंप्लीट होने का. नाउ यू कैन सिंपली इग्नोर द वार्निंग, come back to it, click on the check my progress, you will get the green tick in this task, and with that our lab is completed, assessment is completed. Click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. You can also leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button. Now after that, come back to the main page to check whether our lab is actually completed or not. Verify करने के लिए हम main page पे आएंगे. अगर green tick मिल गया होगा lab की website, it means our lab is completed. Okay, so wait for the main page to be loaded up. Simply scroll down, keep scrolling, open this, and you will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.